Hi all. Welcome to this channel. Today we will discuss locators of Selenium, and do watch this video till the end. A locator is a way to identify elements on a page. A locator enables testers to select an HTML DOM element to act on. Building stronger automation scripts requires understanding how to use the various locators effectively. The test will fail before it even starts if the test script is unable to determine which element it needs to interact with. Selenium provides support for these 8 traditional location strategies in WebDriver. Class name locates elements whose class name contains the search value. Compound class names are not permitted. CSS selector locates elements matching a CSS selector. Id locates elements whose ID attribute matches the search value. Name locates elements whose name attribute matches the search value. Link text locates anchor elements whose visible text matches the search value. Partial link text locates anchor elements whose visible text contains the search value. If multiple elements are matching, only the first one will be selected. Tag name locates elements whose tag name matches the search value. Spath locates elements matching and spath expression. Also, one more locator is introduced in Selenium 4, that is relative locators. This functionality brings a new way to locate elements to help you find the ones that are nearby other elements. The available locators are above, below, to left of, to right of, near. Locating elements in Selenium WebDriver is performed with the help of FindElement and FindElements methods provided by WebDriver and WebElement class. FindElement returns a WebElement object based on a specified search criteria, or ends up throwing an exception if it does not find any element matching the search criteria. FindElements returns a list of web elements matching the search criteria. If no elements are found, it returns an empty list. Some important changes coming to how locators are defined and used. After Selenium 4.2, the Python Selenium bindings removed locator-specific methods for finding elements. Now this approach is preferred with the Python bindings. This change is being made to make the Python bindings more consistent with how the other language bindings use locator. Similarly, in Java, you can see new changes. Also, the change happened in other languages too who supports Selenium. Thanks all.